Hey guys, good morning. It's Monday and another week of bakbakan na naman. Charot. So, anyway guys, since it's Monday, naka-uniform tayo today. So, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys! So, yan guys, andito na ako sa work and since it's Monday, medyo busy tayo today kasi nga sobrang daming deliveries and aside from that guys, we'll also start making reports kasi nga malapit na yung month end and obviously, meron din kasing holidays na paparating so kailangan ahead of time is matapos na yung reports and we will also encode all the sales and we will check kung lahat pa ng sales is pumasok sa passbook. So, that would be my agenda for today guys. So, as what you have noticed, sobrang loaded natin today. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako.
Hello? May ba? O parang ba? May ba sila? Marinig ka? Mga steps na?
So, yan guys, patapos na rin ako sa work, and actually after work, diretso lang din ako sa bahay kasi nga wala namang ibang ganap today, and we will just have to unbox our parcel kasi nga dumating yung parcel ng papa ko, and let's see kung wala bang damage or anything kasi nga yung parcel na to guys, it's a razor. Si Papa kasi bumili siya sa Shopee and kailangan niya daw to para at least makatipid siya. Kasi nga, every time na nagpapagupit siya is 80 pesos yung bayad. So, nangihinayang siya dun sa 80 kasi nga sobrang mahal na. So, he decided na bumili na lang ng razor dun sa Shopee. So, anyway guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. And as what you have noticed, ina-unbox na namin yung razor niya. So, let's see kung okay ba yung razor na nabili niya. So, actually guys, sobrang dami accessories na nitong product na to kasi nga meron na siyang gunting and may mga sizes na din kapag magpapagupit ka, and as what you have noticed, meron na din siyang plastic cover, and sobrang sulit na talaga nito guys, and sobrang saya din ng papa ko. So anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!